Good morning. Children, gather round.
Troopers, I just received new orders. Our superiors say we can all go home.
Go!
It has to end here.
No, it'll be okay. Stay with us. It'll be okay.
I have to go away.
No, don't do it. Please, don't go.
I must go away, Charlie.
No! No! All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain.
Oh God, you fucking asshole, don't go away, you fucking asshole, don't go away, you fucking asshole.
Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world. Millions of despairing men, women, and little children. Victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair.
A day may come when the courage of men fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship. But it is not this day.
Now, who wants to go home? And who wants to go with me?
Thank you, boys. Thank you.
I'll be right here.
Je vais voir.
Tu nous raconteras.
C'est si bon de t'attendre là et d'oublier le temps qui va, puisque le temps n'existe plus déjà. Il s'efface au bruit de ton pas.